Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about getting your home ready for Christmas. The Thanksgiving holiday, if you're in the United States, is behind us. It's time to return anything you borrowed, and let's get ready for Christmas. So we're going to think about having those 2 weeks before Christmas off, like a vacation. So that's December 11th to December 25th. You may have to work, you may have to homeschool, that doesn't matter. You don't have to do prep for Christmas. Your wrapping, your purchasing, your gift wrapping, and your decorating should all be done by December 11th, so that when you want to do anything fun, you're not encumbered by all those things, wrapping, buying, putting things up, decorating. That's all behind you, so you can enjoy the Christmas music. You can enjoy a hot cup of cocoa with the children. You can enjoy holiday movies. You can enjoy rides in the neighborhood to look at the other people's lights. You can enjoy spiced cider. You can enjoy making cookies with your children or grandchildren. You can enjoy all those little things that are frustrating when you have the big things left to do. So that's my goal for you, is to do that. Now, if you have Kimmy's planner, that's She's in Her Apron at she'sinherapron.com. There's a link below, the She's in Her Apron planners. When you go to December, at the back of December, there is Christmas planning. And she's got Ready, Set, Party. It's a page in there that tells you what to do weeks before. So Christmas this year is on a Wednesday. So it's not quite December yet, but we've got 1, 2, 3. How many do we really have? Hold on. We have, I know there's a Christmas calendar. There's a calendar in here. Oh yeah, we've got 1, 2, 3.5 weeks till Christmas. So you've got 1.5 weeks to get these things done. Buy the rest of the presents, wrap them, and make sure your decorations are up. In the 3 weeks before Christmas, here's the plan back here, you're to start planning your menu. And so this is about all the food part. Make a grocery list, create a guest list, delegate food assignments, create invitations if you're going to send invitations, inventory cooking equipment, arrange to borrow needed supplies or buy, plan your decorations for the table. Buy or borrow necessary decorations and decorate now or a little later. That's in the 3 to 4 week time. Now also, you want to write down all your to-dos. So she's got a place for that. She has what to do 2 weeks before, 1 week before, the week of, the day before. What's your Christmas Eve dinner? What's your grocery list? What are the assignments for that? What's your cooking schedule for Christmas Eve? What's your Christmas Day schedule? The grocery list for that. Who has assignments of things to do? What's your cooking schedule, etc. So that is all in here, which makes things so easy and so fun, really, because you write it down and then you just check it off. And it's like, oh, I did that. Because sometimes we do things we don't even know we've done, and we're still kind of freaked out until we realize, oh, I've done that, and I've done that, and I've done that. Didn't do that, got to do that, but I did this. It's pretty amazing what we kind of do a little bit on autopilot, or a lot on autopilot, but knowing it makes our heads more organized. So I highly recommend that you have some kind of a list. I know it's too late for you to get this right now, but I will recommend this as a Christmas present for yourself. She's in Her Apron planner, she'sinherapron.com. This particular one is a 4-month one. So this one started in September and goes through December. Then there's one for January, February, March, April, and then May, June, July, August. And that's the semester one. And then she's got another one that's 6 months. The reason she doesn't do an annual one is because these planners are so thick, because they're so juicy and full of yummy things. Not yummy things to eat, yummy things to do, yummy things like juicy with things like your monthly budget is in here. Your inventory of your freezer is in here. She's got everything in here. It's fabulous, and I highly recommend this. I personally use the daily The daily tells me what I need to do every single day. It doesn't tell me, I tell me, but I write it down in a daily format, which is in here. So the daily, each day looks like this. And you've got things to do on this side and your schedule here. So things that are scheduled go here. And then things that you need to do, like your daily rituals, your weekly home blessing, laundry, etc., go over here, and then you just incorporate them over here. So we've got a lot to do. That's what you need, and I have a lot to do. My dailies are full every day, and look, they're just full, every single one. Like that. That's a good example. So I fill them out every day. I fill them out a week in advance when I do my planning. And then every day I check off everything I need to do as I've done it, actually, or put an X, because we're not perfect. Sometimes we miss things, and that's okay too. All right. So that's what I recommend you get for your, and if you don't have a super busy week, you don't have a lot of things happening every day, then you could do the weekly planner, which just has the week at a glance. This also has the week at a glance, which helps us plan the day at a glance. The week at a glance looks like this. So it's got a column for every day, places to put your rituals, your zone, your basic weekly plan, your laundry, whatever. You can put it down here. Over on this side, there's a plan for your meals. There's a list of to-dos, and there's even a place to track your spending. Okay, so highly recommend. It'll make a great Christmas present. It's okay if you don't, but I highly recommend you do. Anything else that I can think of? No, nothing else I can think of. So I'm going to let you go, but I hope you have a fabulous week. I hope you're so excited for the holiday this year. I hope you are making memories with your family, your friends, and even yourself. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.